Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to show you the diamond painting kits that I purchased today at Hobby Lobby. As you know, or if you follow my channel, I'm pretty sure you saw my shorts. I went to Hobby Lobby to dry mount a few kits. I will show them in a few minutes once I'm done with this one, so you will see what I did today. And I was really very surprised to find out that they had more Christmas designs, because when I was at Hobby Lobby last time, it was a week ago, the stock was very limited to a few diamond painting kits, but today I found way more. So let's start with this bows. Now I'm confused, and I know that one of them is a word, is a verb, the other one is a noun, bow and bow, and now I'm confused which one is which. I guess rainbow, right? Bow, right? So these bows, I would say that all of these kits, I didn't measure them, and I'm not sure why Hobby Lobby doesn't mention the size on the kits, but the majority of them are 40 by 30 centimeters. I'm talking about the kits that are mounted on the wood, on the canvas, right? Except of this one. This one is smaller, maybe 20 by 30 centimeters, and the other one is 40 by 50 centimeters. I'm referring to this, to Santa Claus, right? So these kits are 30 by 40 centimeters, colorful bows, I guess. All of them are on sale, so technically I purchased this one for $4.50. I was a little bit disappointed. Of course, I haven't opened it yet, but from what I see, I was a little bit disappointed because, to tell you the truth, I do not see any ABs or crystals in here, and I'm 100% sure that this kit would benefit a lot from crystals and AB drills, so I would definitely play with it. I wouldn't be diamond painting entirely with crystal drills only. Maybe the background, yes, it would be diamond painted with regular acrylic drills, but for example, the stars and the bows themselves should definitely have crystals and AB accents. So the next kit is Red Truck. As far as I understand, this one is from last year. Unfortunately, I didn't have Hobby Lobby a year ago. They opened it only in June, and I religiously go there every freaking week. I don't already know how much money I spend there. You know, every time I try to pay down my credit card, I end up owing more on it, because I go to Hobby Lobby and keep buying stuff and do dry mounting, and then I buy something else. Oh my god, like skincare, or I like skincare, or crystals or something else. So in any case, this is as far as as last year's design, but since I didn't have Hobby Lobby, and since online kits, online inventory is sold out so quickly, you know, of course I didn't have a chance to purchase it, so I got it now. I think it is a really very nice kit, very rural. No, I think rural is something different, right? You know, like village-like, farmer-like. I really like this kind of designs, and it has plenty of room to play with it. For example, to replace drills with crystals in the windows, or add white ABs to the snow. I think it would turn out to be perfect. Now I need to look for the definition of the word rural. I thought it was like countryside, right? But now I believe it's the opposite. I think it's like the town or city area. Okay, I'll check it. So another kit is a small pre-framed one, Believe. I purchased the majority of small ones for sale. If I am not able to sell it, I will just give them away as a gift to my daughter's teacher. I really like this very kit. Apparently this kit, I purchased this kit online when Christmas kits just arrived to Hobby Lobby. As soon as they appeared online, I placed the order, and this kit was one of them, and unfortunately that order was lost, so I never received it. But I'm really very happy that I get my hands on it, and in the end I have it with me. So I really want to diamond paint it, and as you can see, it comes with special drills with crystals. Great, and I will definitely add white ABs if it doesn't come with it. This is Let It Snow, the snowman. So this small kits cost $4, so technically I paid around $2 for it. This kit is a little bit bigger than the other framed kits. See, it costs $6, so technically 50% off is $3. So the snowman, I guess Rudolph or something. This kit is a little bit bigger, $6. That's how it looks completed, and of course I will also play with it, and 8 white ABs and crystals for the Christmas lights. I do not believe, yeah, you see, it doesn't even come with crystals, which is a shame. I purchased a few coaster designs. This one, gingerbread, candy cane, snowflake, and whatever it is. And this one, I like both of them. I will also try to sell $2 each. I purchased a few stands, acrylic stands. The Rudolph. Why is his nose brown? Maybe it's not a Rudolph. Actually, it will be, yeah, I will make the nose red. I think it would look much better, right? So I will make Rudolph out of him. I'm not sure if it is a regular deer or Rudolph. Then Santa stand, also acrylic. As to Santa, I will also play with it, and I am pretty sure that I will make his beard with white drills, maybe with white ABs, I'm not sure yet, but definitely not with transparent crystals. It looks weird. Another Believe kit. So there are two of them, this one and this one. The doggy. As I mentioned previously, it is pretty small, maybe 20 by 30 centimeters or 25 by 35 centimeters, because if you compare it with 40 by 30 centimeters, it's much smaller, of course, but I did like the detalization. It is great. And I will definitely add white ABs, not on the dog itself, but on the background, on the snow. And I'm not sure if I mentioned before, and I finally purchased this Christmas shelf. Not sure the correct name for it, because again, Hobby Lobby doesn't mention the size, it doesn't mention the name of the kit, unless I'm blind and I do not see it. I saw the names of the kits online, but not on the physical canvases. So this one. And two more kits. I hope I showed you everything, right? And two more kits that I purchased was this stickers. Just got it for my daughter so that she could diamond paint it with her friends when they are tired of some active game outside. And one more kit. To tell you the truth, I was reluctant to purchase it at first, because first of all, it is too big, 40 by 50 centimeters, and my room is already cluttered with diamond paintings. And on the other hand, what I didn't like about it is that it is partial. But when I looked at the final result, so this is a final, like a completed kit, right, on the preview. I liked it so much. It looks so detailed, as if it's like painted with a brush. You know why? Look at the rendering. It is freestyle. It is not a standard gridding, right? This is a freestyle gridding, and this freestyle gridding plus a very good color combination creates such a detailed result in the end. So I decided to diamond paint it. Hopefully some kid is gonna like it and persuade their parents to purchase this kit from me. I would price it for $10, for example. The original price was $11, but I bought it for $5.50, so I may sell it for $10 or $12. I still think that is pretty cheap. In the end, for all this, I paid only $50. Oh no, I'm sorry, I forgot to show you one more kit. It's the same, the shells I purchased for my friend. So technically, for all that, right, two kits to the same designs. For all that, I paid $50. I think it is extremely cheap for 5 big kits, 1 medium kit, which makes 6, and 10 small kits. So in the end, I bought 16 kits, I guess? Yeah, all these are 16 kits, right? 15 plus 1 sticker kit, 16 kits, $50. 16 kits, not 6, 16 kits, $50. It's extremely cheap. But the main excuse that I used to go to Hobby Lobby was, of course, dry mounting a few diamond painting kits. So first of all, I really wanted to dry mount this very kit. It was a present from my subscriber Katie. Katie, again, thank you so much for sending it to me. It was a complete surprise for me. I did look at this diamond painting before. The only reason why I didn't purchase it, what stopped me, was its non-standard size. The size for this kit was 19 by 26 inches or 18 20.7 by 26 inches. I don't know, but very non-standard size, and I didn't want to purchase a frame for it because the frame would be very expensive. So when I discovered dry mounting, I began to gradually dry mount all my non-standard sized kits, and finally I dry mounted this one. Look how gorgeous it is. Look at that. The sparkle is amazing. So if you guys don't know what dry mounting is, well, I don't know, maybe I will I won't be able to explain it to you as well as I could, but technically it is dry mounted to the foam board with the high temperature. I don't know how much, 85. No, I think it is 85 Celsius or so. I don't know, but it is a very high heat, and this heat, why the majority of stores avoid doing it. For example, my local Michael's doesn't do anything when it comes to diamond art because it can melt the drills. But on the other hand, if the drills are very good quality, like for example the diamond dots kits or diamond dark club kits, like resin, very high quality resin drills, right? It won't do anything to them. It can melt maybe super cheap acrylic drills of very low quality, but not resin drills. Or unless somebody, I don't know, put a very high temperature. I'm not sure. Although Hobby Lobby dry mounted both acrylic and resin kits, and they both turned out terrific. So this is the first one, big one, as I said, like 18.7 by 26 inches. You know how much it cost me? $14 plus. Actually, it would cost $12. I don't know, but I don't know why this guy who was doing it for me, he actually charged $2 for sizing. The other guy who helped me before with my Egyptian royalty kit didn't charge this $2 fee. And if you dry mount a lot of kits, of course, $2 charge does add up, right? For example, I paid what, $8 on top of dry mounting for sizing, which is weird. So I don't know if your local Hobby Lobby charges you for that or not, but I paid $14, though technically the dry mounting was $12. And again, it's a big kit, right? I would never purchase a frame of the size for such a low price. The next kit is this gorgeous angel from Diamond Dots. I purchased it, I don't know, maybe like 5 or 6 years ago and finished it, and I did love the final result. The sparkle's amazing. And I wouldn't say that it is non-standard. It's either 30 by 30 centimeters or 25 by 25 or 20 by 20 centimeters. Not sure. There are the frames of the size, but the problem is that they are very rarely on sale, and they are kind of expensive, like maybe $30 or something like this. So I dry mounted this one for $6. The other one is even smaller. This one is a snack-sized kit from AliExpress, diamond painted with special and crystal drills. But you know, to tell you the truth, I would not recommend you to dry mount small kits because they are not worth it. So each cost $6. This is one more. This is also snack-sized kit that my daughter completed, also from AliExpress or something like this. So these three cost $6, although you see that the size varies. So I think maybe it's worth purchasing the frame, at least for smaller sizes, because $6 is too much for such a small size, and you can find actually the frame for the same amount or even cheaper. But when it comes to bigger kits, it's definitely worth dry mounting it, because the bigger the kit, the cheaper it gets. Okay. So this is all for today. Just wanted to show you the purchases that I made. I'm so sorry. I just want to show you the purchases that I made on the one hand. On the other hand, just wanted to show you these kits that I dry mounted at Hobby Lobby. And I remember, I know that I show you the kits, but I never do the unboxing. I just didn't have time. I'm very focused on selling kits. That is why I keep diamond painting them days and nights. But I promise that I will record the video unboxing of the previous Christmas kits from Hobby Lobby, of the kits that I purchased today. The problem is that there are many of them, so it will be way too time consuming to record all of them. So maybe I will do the big ones first, then I will do the small ones first, and I will do the calendars separately, because oh my, you can't even imagine how many colors they have. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and apparently the video was not that short. See ya.